What are the most common injuries when you're in a rear-end collision? Rear-end collisions are one of the most common types of motor vehicle accidents, and our Northern California car accidents attorneys at Berg Injury Lawyers know that they can also be one of the most painful and debilitating. That's because our bodies are in a vulnerable position in a rear-end collision, despite many safety features and improvements in vehicle design. This is particularly true of the neck and back, which often suffer significant whiplash, tissue, disc, or nerve injuries in a rear-end collision. Despite this, defense lawyers and insurance adjusters will often blame victims for causing the accident, for their injuries, or for pre-existing injuries that may lower their compensation. Don't let this happen to you. Any personal injury sustained in a rear-end collision that was not your fault may entitle you to collect money for your injuries, medical bills, and pain and suffering under California law. That includes some of the most common types of injuries in a car accident, such as neck injuries or back injuries, including a slip disc, annular tear, crushed disc, herniated disc, compression fracture, or another type of serious spinal injury. Broken bones, particularly to the ankle, thumb, wrist, elbow, or knee, but also to the vertebrae, collarbone, and shoulder. Head injuries, including those caused by lacerations from striking something inside the vehicle. Spinal cord injuries such as impingement, narrowing of the spinal canal, or more serious injuries such as paralysis. Brain injuries, especially coupe-contre-coupe brain injuries, which are caused when the brain slides back and forth in a whiplash-like motion. Airbag and seatbelt injuries, and other personal injuries or emotional injuries. Even though liability in a rear-end car accident is often clear, unfortunately, when you have personal injuries from a crash, defense lawyers and insurance adjusters will do everything in their power to avoid paying you the full amount that you may be entitled to under California law. Protect your rights to the maximum compensation that you may be entitled to under the law, and call Berg Injury Lawyers by dialing 866-928-4640 for a free consultation, or reach out to us through our website at berginjurylawyers.com.